Are you ready?
Hello, Miss.
Hello, Alpha. Hello, Alana.
Hello.
Hello, Raska.
Yes.
Are you ready, Raska?
Yes, I'm ready.
Hello, William.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, Karsa. Hello, Akis.
Hello, Miss.
Are you ready, Akis?
Yes, I'm ready.
Thank you. So we still have Fanya. Fanya doesn't come yet. So who studies online class today? Who studies online class in the school? Okay, Alta, Hansa. Oh, William too. Okay. Oh, Karin, you're not?
Yes,
You don't study online today?
yes.
Oh, you do. Hello, Fanya.
Hello, Miss.
Good afternoon, Fanya.
Good afternoon.
Oh my God. So, I think we've complete today. Can I start, guys? Can I start the program?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, I will start this program. So, good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine. How are you, Miss?
Oh, I'm
Are
very,
you
very, very
Miss?
great today. And I'm so spirit to study with you. Are you spirit?
Yes, I'm spirit. Yes, I'm scared. Yes, I'm spirit.
Don't
I'm
forget,
so spirit.
yeah, don't forget to prepare your pencil and your book in front of you, yeah? Because
Yeah.
I'm afraid that you need those. You need book and a pencil. So directly I'm going to open the screen, but before that, let's pray together. Okay, are you ready to pray?
Yes. Yes.
Let's pray
Yes.
together.
Yes.
Pray begin. Thank you, Amin. I hope our lesson today will be useful for us and you can enjoy with Miss Amin and your friends. Let's get started, guys.
Let's get started.
Okay. Do you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So today
Yes.
we study about nouns countable and nouns uncountable. What is this, Miss Aini? I should know. Uh, if you have a note, so you don't need to write again. Okay, one more time. If you have this note, so you don't have to write again. Ya. Kalau sudah ada catatannya, kalau teman-teman sudah ada catatannya, so you don't need to write again on your book. So who has this note? Siapa yang sudah punya catatannya?
Maksudnya yang ini kak, yang grammar for kids-nya udah di-download.
Iya. So who has?
Uh, What, Miss?
Sherin, do you have this notes? Sudah punya catatan ini?
Sebenarnya sih aku sudah punya catatan itu nah.
Oh ya.
Oh, yang dibuka di WhatsApp.
Iya. Dan? Oh, dan.
Yes, I have.
You
I
have.
have.
Okay, thank you guys. So if you have this note, so you don't need to write again, but you only do the exercise, yeah? You only do the exercise. So for the first, nouns. Yeah. Nouns, it means that like things around you. Yeah, noun is things around you. Can you mention thing around you, guys? Start from, wait. I want to call Sherin.
Yes.
Can you mention things around you?
What?
Things. Things around you.
Yes.
Things around you. Sherin, can you? Three. Can you mention three things around you? Three things around you.
Maksudnya Miss aku nggak tahu.
Okay, wait, Sherin. I call your friend and then you see what your friend mentioned. Yeah, you see what your friend mentioned. Altaf, mention three things around you.
I have a pencil. I have a pencil. I have an eraser, and I have a book.
Yeah, enough. Only three. Thank you. What about Alana? Can you mention three things around you, Alana?
I have my eraser. Have my marker, and I have my pencil case.
Okay, so Sherin, do you understand about
Yes.
three things around you?
Yes.
Yeah, can you mention, Sherin?
I have a pencil. I have an eraser, and I have a shelf.
Oh, a cell. Thank you so much. Kansa, please. What do you have around you? What thing do you have around you, Kansa?
I have my backpack. I have a book, and I have my pen.
Okay, so all is about book and pencil. Yeah, thank you so much. Raska, what about you? What thing do you have around you?
I have a book, table, and a computer.
Okay, table, computer, and book, Raska. Thank you. William, what about you?
I have TV, sofa, and chairs.
TV, sofa, and armchair. So that's about a thing in the house, yeah? Thing in the house. Thank you. William, next. Akis,
Yes, Miss.
what thing do you have around you, Akis?
I have a pencil. I have a book. I have an eraser.
Thank you, Akis. Good job. Now going to Panya. What do you have?
I have pencil. I have eraser. And I have notes.
Notes. Thank you, Panya. So, all is complete. Now, let's see this example. Yeah, let's see this example. Can you repeat after me, guys?
Yes.
Okay. I've got some books.
I've got some books.
There isn't any cheese.
There isn't any cheese.
Okay. Can you see any apples?
Can you see any apples?
Okay. Can you read one more time? 1, 2, 3. I've got some There isn't
any apples.
Can you see any apples?
apples?
Thank you so much. So, down. I can see 1, 2, 3. I can see a cat.
I can see a cat.
Okay, there are some dogs.
There are some dogs.
Okay, I haven't got any chocolate. Any chocolate? Okay, thank you so much. Now, I want you to make a box. Oh. Then pen, apple.
Disuruh apa?
Wait a moment. Then sugar. Then sand. And then water. And then bag. And then tea. And then rice. And then the last one is here. So guys, I want you to know about what is countable and what is uncountable. Yeah. So let's see my words here. Can you read together, please? 1, 2, 3. Book, cat, apple, sugar, sand, water, bag, rice, egg. Yeah. So who understood about countable and uncountable noun? Siapa yang sudah paham tentang countable and uncountable noun? Raise your hand, please. Before I explain this one, who understands about this lesson? Raise your hand.
What is countable and uncountable?
Yeah, who understands? Who understood about this lesson? Huh? Who? William? Do you understand about this one?
Yes.
Can you say in Bahasa? What is countable?
Countable itu yang lebih dari.
Can you speak loudly, please? Maybe Sister Kansa, you know? You study in the school about countable and uncountable noun?
Iya, Mem. Tahu, tapi sama sama di dahulu pakainya apa? Tahunya lebih
Sister Kansa, I don't hear your voice clearly. Can you speak loudly, please? Hello, Sister Kansa? Hello? Don't you use your earphone, Sister Kansa? Do you hear Sister Kansa, guys?
Yes.
Clear or not? Is it clear or not? Oh, I see. Okay, Sister Kansa, maybe because you don't use your earphone, so your voice is not really clear. Yeah. It's okay, Sister Kansa. But yes. Yes.
Tadi Kansa ngechat nggak punya.
Oh ya, It's okay ya. Gak apa-apa, Sister Kansa.
Countable itu bisa dihitung ya?
Yeah.
Countable itu nggak bisa dihitung.
Who answers? Who answers? Altavia atau siapa?
Bukan.
Siapa? Raska.
Nih.
Oh, Raska, good job. So guys, countable is a thing that you can count. Things that you can count with your fingers. Yeah, but uncountable things that you cannot count with your fingers. Do you understand?
Jadi maksudnya yang bisa diambil.
Yeah, do you understand what I say?
Masih bisa dihitung pakai
Yeah. The main point, the thing that you can count with your fingers, it is countable. But the things that you cannot count with your fingers, that is uncountable. Do you understand all?
Yes.
Yes. Should I translate into bahasa? No? Should I translate into bahasa? Apakah harus ditranslate ke bahasa tadi penjelasannya?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, if not, so book.
Countable berarti yang bisa kita pegang dengan tangan. Kalau yang uncountable nggak bisa dipegang dengan tangan.
Ya, pasti bisa dihitung dengan tangan ya. Kita melihat benda itu, kita bisa menghitungnya dengan satu persatu. Tapi kalau uncountable, dia tidak bisa dihitung dengan jari. Apalagi pakai tangan satu-satu itu tidak bisa ya. Nah, itu uncountable. So, let's see my examples here. I have 10 things. Yeah, I have 10 things that these are about countable and uncountable nouns. So, I have told you about countable and uncountable noun. Which one is countable and which one is uncountable? So, number one, book. Countable or uncountable? So, I will type CN. Yeah, CN is countable noun. Okay, you understand?
Yes.
Next.
Write down on book.
Countable
noun. Yeah. So 3
write down
until
on
10.
book.
3 until 10. Do by yourself. Yeah. 3 until 10. Do by yourself. Write the question and give the answer. 3 until 10. Ya. 3 until 10. Kalau uncountable berarti isinya UN ya.
Lebar.
Ya, pilihannya CN atau UN. Ya, pilihannya ada dua saja, CN atau UN. Kalau UN tadi yang tidak bisa dihitung dengan jari, kalau CN yang bisa dihitung dengan jari. William, are you done, William?
Yes.
Yes? Really?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Please ditulis.
Ya, Sherin. Write and answer. Write and answer ya. Write and answer.
I don't know.
Nih, contohnya tadi book itu benda yang bisa dihitung atau tidak bisa dihitung, Sherin?
Bisa dihitung.
Nah, kalau bisa dihitung berarti CN jawabannya. Nah, pen bisa dihitung nggak dengan jari?
Bisa.
Nah, berarti CN. Nah, sampai 10 nanti Sherin
ada yang nggak CN semua.
Ada yang CN, ada yang UN. UN itu yang nggak bisa dihitung.
Tidak tahu.
Tidak tahu? Oke, kalau tidak tahu, Sherin dilihat saja sampai teman-temannya selesai nanti. Dilihat jawabannya teman-teman ya, Sherin. Don't worry. Yes?
Miss,
Yes.
yang nomor 8 itu kan T, itu maksudnya air T-nya atau?
No, T-nya, T yang serbuknya itu.
Oke.
Ya, bukan air tehnya ya. If I say hot tea, berarti air tehnya. But I say tea, the real tea. Bukan bungkusnya ya, teman-teman. Tea yang real tea-nya. Yang di dalam bungkus. Ya. Kira-kira dia itu countable or uncountable?
Kalau gula, kalau sugar kan,
Kenapa, Altaf?
sugar kan tergantung mau 1 butir atau banyak butirannya.
Okay. You just answer, okay? Answer this question, ya.
I'm done.
Thank you, Raska. So, what about others? Gimana yang lain? Are you done?
I done.
Fanya, are you done? Fanya, sudah selesai, Fanya? Fanya, you don't know?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, Fanya. This one, I give you example. Can you see this one? Number 1. You understand what I explained to you? CN and UN, Fanya? CN is countable noun. Countable noun is the things, benda, that you can count with your fingers. That is countable noun. For example, book. Can you count the book? How many books you have? Fanya bisa menghitung buku yang Fanya punya dengan tangannya Fanya, dengan menyentuh bisa dihitung 1, 2, 3, bisa? Bisa Fanya? Ya. So book is countable noun. Jadi buku itu benda yang bisa dihitung. Nah, seperti itu. Now, I give you one example again, guys. Sugar. Nah,
UN.
Sugar itu
UN.
Fanya. Okay, wait a moment, guys. I wanna explain for your friend who still confused about CN and UN ya. Fanya, sugar. Coba Fanya pegang sugar, bisa dihitung nggak butirannya?
Enggak.
Nah, susah kan ya? It's so difficult to count. Dipegang saja langsung jatuh ya, gula itu. Nah, jadi sugar itu tidak bisa dihitung. Miss, kalau dibungkus kan bisa dihitung 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 3 kilo. No, ya. We don't
Bukan
talk
dari
about,
berat.
ya.
Jangan
We
dihitung
don't
beratnya,
talk about
tapi
the weight, ya. Bukan dari berat, tapi dari bendanya sendiri. Ketika kita pegang, kita bisa hitung nggak itu gula? Nggak bisa kan? Tanya? Ya, so sugar, the answer is UN. Benda yang nggak bisa dihitung. Nah.
Miss, I know, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Good. Fanya, do you understand now, Fanya?
Understand.
Okay, so don't worry. If you don't understand, tell me. I will explain to you, ya. This is not exam, not test, but this is just exercise, ya. Latihan saja. Nanti kalau ada yang salah, it's okay. Ya, it's okay if you get wrong. Akis, are you done, Akis?
Yes, I done.
Okay, thank you, Akis. Alana, are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, do you understand, Alana?
Yes, I'm understand.
Thank you, Alana. Sherin, do you understand now, Sherin?
Yes.
Yeah. Finally, Sherin understand. William, are you done?
Yes.
Okay.
Miss,
Ya.
artinya sin apa?
Si. Apa? Sen.
Sand. I don't know sand. Sand itu pasir.
dan itu pasir.
Pasir, nak, pasir. Pasir bisa dihitung nggak pasir?
No.
Satu pasir, dua pasir, tiga pasir. Satu pasir, dua pasir. Oke. Fanya, what number Fanya?
5.
Okay, number 5. Thank you.
Miss,
Ya,
I number 6.
you are number 6. Okay, hurry up please. Oke, please check it again guys. Dicek lagi ya. Mungkin ada yang masih kurang atau ada yang salah. Silakan dicek lagi jawabannya. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ya. 8 questions ya. But I have answered 1 ya. Saya ini sudah jawab 1 ini. Jadi you only do 7 questions. Apakah benar semua teman-teman?
Jadi dibilangnya 8 question.
Yeah, actually you do 8 questions, but I answer 1 question. So all is 7. Are you done?
Aku udah keburu
Fanya, what
nulis
number, Fanya?
semuanya. Aku udah keburu nulis semuanya.
7. What, Alta?
Udah ditulis semuanya.
Okay.
Semuanya loh ya.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Alta. Okay, okay. Who has taken a bath this afternoon? Raise your hand.
Apa itu?
Take a bath. Thank you, Raska. Oh, take a bath. You know take a bath, guys?
Mandi.
Yeah. Who is done? Who is done? Raise your hand. Alana, no. Alta, done? No. William, done? Akif, done? Take a bath?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
done. Kansa, done? I don't think so.
Miss, I done.
Oh, you are done?
Apa, Miss?
Take a bath. Kansa?
No.
No. Yeah. Fanya, are you done, Fanya?
Take a bath. Miss,
Yeah, take a bath.
no.
No.
Miss,
Ya,
berarti
Sherin?
VN bisa dipegang, kalau UN nggak bisa dipegang.
Bukan masalah dipegang, nggak dipegang.
Dihitung.
Maksudnya
Dihitung.
dihitung. Coba contohnya number 4, sugar. Sugar apa, Sherin? Sugar? Gula.
UN.
Ya,
UN.
sugar itu gula kan?
Ya.
Ya, gula ketika Sherin pegang, Sherin bisa ngitung nggak berapa gula di situ? Nah, seperti itu ya. Bukan masalah dipegangnya, tapi bisa dihitung nggak ketika Sherin pegang. Nah, gitu. 1 sugar, 2 sugar kan nggak mungkin. Miss, tapi kan kalau aku, ya, Miss aku belinya 1 kilo, 2 kilo, bukan masalah beratnya ya, tapi masalah, nah, ketika dipegang pakai tangan, ya, bisa dihitung nggak? Kalau bukan bisa dihitung nih ketika Sherin pegang 1 buku, 2 buku, 3 buku. Fanya, what number Fanya?
10.
10. Okay, so because Fanya it's gonna be done. Let's see number 3.
CM.
Yeah, apple. Apple CN or UN?
CM.
CN.
CN. Okay.
CN.
10. CN or UN?
CM.
CN. CN or UN?
UN.
Dong. Masa ada 1 pasir, 2 pasir, 3 ada.
Miss, Fanya dan writing.
Oke, thank you Fanya. Let's see the answer Fanya. Dicek ya. Apakah benar atau salah jawaban Fanya? Water. Aha, water.
UN.
Karena pas dihitung pakai tangan langsung tumpah aja.
Iya. We don't talk about the place, the bottle, but we talk about the things, bendanya sendiri. Air ketika dipegang bisa dihitung nggak? 1 air, 2 air. Aha, nggak bisa. Jadi UN ya. UN. Next, back. UN or CN?
CN.
CN. Udah pasti ya. Oke, next. T.
UN.
UN ya, bukan tentang wadahnya ya, bukan tentang 1 kotak teh, 2 kotak teh, no. Tapi dalamnya tehnya itu yang serbuk-serbuknya itu ya, yang dihitung. Bisa nggak dihitung? Nggak bisa. Sampai besok kalian kelas lulus SD juga nggak bisa itu dihitung. Ya, until you graduate from elementary school or senior high school, not finished ya, not finished. Next one is rice.
UN.
UN or CN?
UN.
CN ya. It seems like tea.
Masih jadi beras kan?
Ya, beras. Beras itu tidak bisa dihitung ya.
Kecil-kecil.
Iya.
Lupa.
Kayak hair, your hair. Bisa dihitung your hair?
No.
How many hair?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know, of course, ya. I don't know too. How much hair do I have? Next, chair. UN or CN?
CN.
CN or CN? CN, guys. Kan bisa dihitung. Ketika
Chair itu kursi, bukan
iya.
bukan hair rambut tapi
Ya, chair,
kursi.
not hair ya, chair. Kalau kursi ketika ada hajatan di rumah, kan pasti aku pesen kursi 50. Nah, kan bisa dihitung 50 kursi gitu. Ya. Thank you guys. Who gets alright? Siapa yang benar semua? Thank you, Fanya.
Aku malah dapat semua.
Thank you. Kansa, thank you. Alana, thank you. Alta, thank
Aku
you.
dapat.
Yeah, thank you all. Thank you all. So, let's see for the next question.
Masih ada.
Dan. Oh, who says Dan?
Nih.
What? William?
Apa itu? Aku kerjain.
William or Raska? Oh, Raska.
Yes.
Raska. Wow, so fast. Oh my God. Okay, Raska. If you are done, please keep silent. Don't tell to your friend, okay? So, please read together with Miss Aini, guys. This is my kitchen.
This is my kitchen.
We've just been shopping.
We've just
been shopping.
There are some apples in the cupboard.
There are apples in the cupboard.
And some grapes in the fridge.
and some
grapes in the fridge.
There is some water and some pasta on the table.
There is
some water and some pasta on the table.
We didn't buy any juice or any eggs.
We didn't
buy any juice or any eggs.
But we did buy some bread.
Buy some bread.
Wait,
I'm hungry.
I think I'd like a sandwich. I want a sandwich.
I want a sandwich.
Have we got any cheese or any tomatoes?
Tomatoes.
Good. Thank you so much, guys.
Dan
Okay. Raska, thank you so much. for you, I want you to find the food and drinks. Find the food and drinks. Yeah. Find the food and drinks. This one is the example. Yeah. Apples. Apples. Silakan di cari. Please find drinks and food. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look for 9 food and drinks here. Sisanya ada apa aja yang belum ditulis ya. Kotaknya ada 9, silahkan diisi. Mungkin makanannya ada 5, minumannya ada 4, atau kebalikannya, minumannya ada 5, makanannya ada 4. So, please do it now. The first example is apples. Yeah.
I'm done.
Who is done?
Me.
Okay, William, thank you. Fanya, do you understand, Fanya? Hello, Fanya? Switch on your audio.
Understand.
Okay, please look for the drink and the food. And write down.
Okay.
Okay. Akis, are you done, Akis?
No.
Okay, do it now. Kansa, are you done? You can read first. Bisa dibaca dulu. And check again. Which one is food? Which one is drink? Alana, are you done, Alana?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay. How many foods and drinks did you find, guys? Sudah berapa kotak? Sudah berapa minuman dan makanan? How many boxes do you find?
4.
4, okay. Continue. Oh, 6. Alana, 6. Okay.
I'm full.
Yeah.
Done. I am done.
Thank you, Altaf.
I have 7 foods and 2 waters.
Okay, thank you.
Tulisnya semua yang ada di ini.
Yeah, all is in the story.
Aduh.
For Altaf, what time do you study with Miss Ida?
What?
What time do you study with Miss Ida? Private.
Oh, I study with Miss Ida at 7 p.m. o'clock.
Oh, 7 o'clock?
7 p.m.
Oh, 7 p.m. Yeah.
O'clock.
7 p.m. until 8 p.m. Yeah.
Yes. Apa aja yang udah ditemuin di sini?
Okay. It's okay, Kansa. Thank you, Kansa.
I'm done.
Done? Fanya, are you done?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, done all? Thank you very much.
Miss, I'm done.
Okay. So, can we search together? Can we see together which one is the food, which one is the drink? This is my kitchen. We've just been shopping, there are some apples. This one is number 1 in the cupboard, and some
Grape.
grapes. Grapes.
There is some water.
Yeah, and then there is some
Water.
water. Okay, and some
Pasta.
pasta. Okay, pasta. We didn't buy any juice or any egg. Okay, but we did buy some bread. I'm hungry. I think I'd like a
Sandwich.
sandwich. Mom, I want sandwich. Have we got any
Cheese and tomato.
or
Tomato.
yeah, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So who got all right? Siapa yang benar semua? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Vanya. Yeah, good job, guys. So let's do the next.
Exercise.
Wait a moment. Let's do the next part is we have to feel countable or uncountable. Ya, tadi yang sudah ditulis bendanya apa saja, silahkan dikelompokkan. Mana yang countable, mana yang uncountable. Ditulis saja langsung ya, CN atau UN. Ya, ditulis di sampingnya. Ya, tadi yang sudah ditulis makanan dan minumannya, silahkan ditulis di depannya atau di sampingnya CN atau UN kayak tadi. Mana yang CN, mana yang UN.
Tapi ini pas-pasan, soalnya ukurannya beda-beda.
Iya, nggak apa-apa. Mau ditulis lagi nggak apa-apa, mau ditulis di sampingnya lagi nggak apa-apa.
Aku mau tulis lagi yang baru, yang mana yang
Oke.
UN.
Oke. I will stop first. Saya di stop dulu, silahkan dikerjakan. Tadi yang sudah diketik, yang ditulis.
I don't know pasta. What is
Pasta is like noodle.
But
Noodle.
like noodle,
Like
but
spaghetti.
tapi dia itu
Nah.
lebih mudah meleleh.
Miss?
Dia bisa meleleh.
Who calls me? Who calls me?
Kalau
yang itu apa yang masih udah diituin atau
Batang. Cheese yang batangan, cheese yang tabur, gini juga bisa. The main point cheese ya. Kamu bisa ngitung
cheese
cheese.
yang batangan atau cheese hamburan? Aku
Walaupun
tulis aja
di-
cheese itu di CN.
Walaupun ditabur, walaupun kotak, bisa dihitung nggak teman-teman cheese?
Kalau
Apalagi waktu
kotak
meleleh.
bisa.
Apalagi waktu meleleh, bisa nggak kira-kira dihitung?
Antara dia itu bisa UN, bisa CN.
Nah, kita lihat saja nanti apakah jawabannya CN atau UN. Oke, William, you can think by yourself.
Miss, I'm done.
Yeah, wait.
Miss,
Are you done, William?
yes.
Nah,
Oke.
sekali lagi,
done.
benda yang tidak bisa dihitung, itu pokoknya ketika kita pegang, itu nggak bisa diuraikan satu-satu. Maksudnya dihitung satu-satu itu susah, lama, nggak bisa. Nah, jadi itu UN ya. Tapi kalau
Apple kan
CN,
cuma bisa pegang satu
ya,
atau
kalau
dua.
dipegang masih bisa. Kayak tisu ini ya. Bisa ini, can you see my tissue? 1, 2,
Yes.
3. Nah,
Wow.
so that's countable noun, CN ya. If water, I have
Grapes kan
water.
ada.
I have water. Can I count my water?
No.
I count the bottle. If I count the bottle, yeah, the bottle is the end. Yeah, the bottle is the end. But the
Pasta
water
is the N
inside,
or UN.
the water inside is UN. Ya, kalau air di dalamnya itu UN, tapi kalau bottle-nya itu CN ya. One bottle, two
Tanyakan
bottle.
isiannya yang ditanya.
Ya.
Yang ditanyakan isiannya.
Iya. Good. Atau.
Jus kan sebenarnya cuma gelas biasa yang diisi sama jus itu aja.
Iya, good job.
X Egi X.
Thank you, Sherin. Raska, are you done, Raska?
Dari tadi, Miss.
Oh, dari tadi. Oke, ini sepertinya Raska ini sebelum masuk sudah mengerjakan ya. Very good. Ya.
No.
Ya.
Miss, pas aku udah ngerti, pasti awal aku udah ngerjain yang lain.
Oh, Raska.
Aku udah
ya.
Yang di awal.
Ya, good.
Pasta kan bisa dihitung ya?
Pasta bisa dihitung nggak? Kira-kira 1 pasta, 2 pasta? Bisa nggak?
Tahu.
Okay, are you done, guys? If you are done, yang sudah selesai, I want you to type on the message again, private to Miss Aini. Yang nggak bisa
Tulisnya misalnya si N-nya ada berapa atau
no, wait. Calm down and calm down, ya. I ask you to type your name. Misalnya ini pengen kalian ketik namanya dulu kayak kemarin. Misalnya ini mau cek di chat room. Silakan. Kalau yang tidak bisa private boleh ke everyone ya. Coba. Oke, thank you William, thank you Kansa. Chat ke Miss Aini ya, Akis. Coba Akis.
Private.
Ya, private to Miss Aini.
Chat namanya.
Ya.
Ke guru bahasa.
Ya, ke guru bahasa. Ya, kalau nggak bisa ke guru bahasa boleh ke everyone.
Kayaknya banyak yang terlanjur udah ke guru everyone.
Yang ke everyone kemungkinan belum bisa ya. Kalau yang sudah bisa boleh langsung ke private.
Aku udah.
Sudah ya? Oke, everyone is ready? Ready.
Tapi aku belum tulis semuanya. Not done.
What? What number, Alta?
I'm not.
No, I mean how many question?
Udah 6 yang aku tulis.
Oh, 4 lagi berarti.
Ini tapi
Come on.
X itu kan X itu bisa dihitung jadi berat. Tomatoes itu susah ya. Nah, cheese itu yang bingung ya. Antara CN atau UN.
CN atau UN, ayo.
Tinggal cheese aja yang bingung.
2 minutes please. 2 menit lagi. Come on, Alta.
Kira-kira. Cheese kan ya masih belum wujud anunya. Ya berarti cheese itu oke, udah tinggal di chat aja.
Oke.
Udah.
Ready?
Di private kan chatnya.
Ya, private to Miss Aini ya. Private to Miss Aini. Dan Altaf, where is your message to Miss Aini?
Yang lain udah.
Udah.
Oke.
Oke. Mana? Terakhir Akis. Altaf mana?
Wait. Apple. Oh ya.
Udah.
Ada correction.
Altaf, coba ketik dulu Altaf. Apakah sudah masuk pesannya Altaf?
Hey.
Ya. Sudah, Elsa? Oke. Dah. William. Wait, William. William, wait ya. Don't answer ya. Don't answer first ya. William, please. Okay, number 1. If I say the things, if I say the food or the drinks, so you say CN or UN ya. Ketika misalnya ini nanti bilang makanan atau minumannya, teman-teman langsung mengisi CN atau UN ya. Number 1.
Sabar Kak, masih nulis sih.
Apple, CN or UN?
UN.
Directly send to Miss Aini, private ya.
Udah dikasih tahu, ngegas makanya.
Oke, ya, one by one ya, not all, one by one. Oke, CN or UN? Done all? So the answer is C. CN. Yeah. For the next is grape. Grape.
Grape itu berarti 1 kan?
Grape. Oh, bisa dihitung nggak? Grape.
Grape itu berarti cuma 1. Kalau
CN
grape
or UN? Come on.
Grape kan 1 aja. Kalau ada S-nya di belakang berarti 2.
Ini sudah tulis.
Sudah? Oke.
Ini kok nggak ada di sini?
Apanya?
Iya ada tulisannya.
Private kali.
Oke, no. So, grape is?
Grape or grapes.
Ya, benar ya.
Masih bisa dihitung ya?
Iya, bisa dong. Kan pakai ini, pakai tangan bisa dihitung. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nah, bisa kan? So, the next is water. Nah, I know you can answer ya. I know you can answer. Water. 1, 2, 3. Oke. Water.
Aku udah kirim yang lengkapnya semuanya.
Oh, Oke. Water ya, water. I want to know what is your real zat, water. Tadi sudah dijawab bareng-bareng ya. So water is UN. Ya, thank you very much. And then pasta. Pasta, UN or CN? Come on. UN or CN? Hurry up. Pasta, UN or CN?
Pasta itu kan
Pasta is like noodle ya. Pasta is like noodle. So can you count with your hand? Can you count? Can you count pasta? 1 pasta, 2 pasta, 3 pasta. Can you count with your finger? No? So the answer is UN. Huh? Wait. Kenapa ke Akis? UN ya. Pasta is UN. Nah, siapa yang jawabannya benar dari tadi? Yo. Ayam. Oke. Ayam goreng, ayam. Thank you.
Ayam.
Next one. Ya, thank you Fanya. Juice. Ya, juice. UN or CN? Oh, juice. The answer is
UN.
UN. Yeah, good job, guys. The next is egg. eggs.
Egg, Miss. Egg
Ya,
ya?
eggs. Ya, eggs. Oke, so egg is? Bisa dihitung pakai tangan?
CN.
CN.
Iya, X kan meski jumlahnya banyak tapi dia nggak jatuh kayak water.
Ya kalau jatuh ambiar nanti.
Iya, susah.
Bread. Now is
Jadi
bread.
semua makan berarti semua makanan
Bread, ayo bread. Come
except
on, bread.
pasta.
Bread.
Grape.
Bread. Say bread.
Oh, bread. Bread.
Oh.
Kirain grape.
Ya, bread. Nggak bisa?
Udah.
Bisa?
Bread.
Bukan berapa banyak roti ya. Rotinya sendiri itu bisa dihitung nggak? Kalau udah jadi. Bukan berapa banyak roti. 1 roti, 2 roti, bukan ya. Rotinya sendiri bisa dihitung nggak?
Bisa.
Bisa? Are you sure? Are you sure guys? Roti bisa dihitung?
No.
No? So the answer is?
No.
UN.
Bread kan
UN.
bukannya
Rotinya bisa dihitung nggak itu? Kalau udah jadi, bukan 1 roti, 2 roti, bukan. Rotinya sendiri. Kayak beras tadi. Nah, beras kan susah dihitung ya. Butirannya satu-satu. Bread juga.
Beras kan.
Nah,
Bread kan bukannya
roti itu tidak bisa dihitung. Jadi, kalian mau ngitung roti itu ada berapa? 1, 2, 3 bisa. Ya,
roti kan
so who will get all right?
kalau udah jadi.
Siapa yang jawab UN? Panya. Any else? William? William jawab apa, William? CN apa UN?
CN.
CN.
Roti UN.
Raska, UN or CN?
Roti itu UN betulan.
CN.
Bukannya roti itu nama. Bukannya roti itu kalau dipotong-potong kan bisa dihitung.
Iya, masih bisa dihitung.
Apanya?
Maksudnya kayak seratnya gitu ya? Yang
Iya, nah bukan dipotong-potong. Ya,
Ya,
bukan
tapi-
yang dipotong-potongnya ya, yang dibahas rotinya sendiri. Itu nggak bisa dihitung. Ya.
Rotinya sendiri nggak
Nah.
bisa dihitung. Nggak
Iya.
mungkin lah.
Nah. Oke, now.
iya ya?
Sandwich. Oh, sandwich. Oh, sandwich. Nah, ini pasti tahu nih sandwich nih. Come on, sandwich.
Roti itu UN.
Sandwich ini udah jadi ya, bukan roti lagi ya.
Oh.
Udah jadi. Bukan roti sejenis roti lagi ya, udah jadi 1.
Roti maksudnya UN, maksudnya roti itu UN apa sih?
Atau kenapa atau?
Nggak tahu maksudnya kenapa roti itu UN.
Ya karena dia tidak bisa dihitung secara gini, maksudnya bukan
Seratnya.
Iya, seratnya. Nah, Raska tuh. Seratnya bukan rotinya. 1 roti, 2 roti bukan. Kayak tadi berat, kayak apa tadi? Sugar. Nah, sugar kan nggak bisa dihitung pakai ini. Nah, kalau beratnya bisa 1 kilo, 2 kilo gitu. Ya,
Sugar bisa jadi CN kok kalau sugarnya itu berupa balok. Karena ada gula batu, gula yang
Oke, so si sandwich is CN. Ya. Good. Now is cheese. Nah, ini pertanyaan besar nih, cheese.
keju.
Cheese.
Oh no.
Ayo, cheese, come on. CN or UN? Answer.
Cheese-nya yang mozzarella yang udah meleleh atau yang kayak gimana?
Yang batangan atau yang mozzarella atau yang udah diparut?
Ini mau yang meleleh, semuanya. Bisa dihitung nggak kira-kira?
Oh, ini nih, aku udah kasih jawabannya.
Ya, come on. Hah? Alta kenapa dua-duanya?
Iya, kan ada yang batangan, ada yang diparut juga, ada yang meleleh juga.
Batangan,
Bingung
oke.
lah.
Kita lihat ya jawabannya Miss ini. The answer is... Bentar. The answer is... UN. Ya. UN. Gak bisa dihitung ya. Cheese itu
Iya, sama
batangan. Coba.
Iya,
Nggak bisa kan? Soalnya satu batang aja. Satu batang itu yang dihitung beratnya, bukan per bijinya. Ya, yang dihitung yang kotaknya itu beratnya, bukan
Tadi,
dua
tadi,
cheese gitu.
tadi gula jangan dihitung beratnya. Sekarang, yes,
Iya.
dihitung beratnya. Bingung.
Bukan. Cheese itu sama seperti beras tadi, bukan beratnya yang dihitung, tapi ininya bisa dihitung nggak pakai tangan, maksudnya di potek-potek kayak gini bisa nggak kayak anggur tadi? Ya bisa kan? So UN ya. Apalagi mozzarella kata William. Kata siapa tadi? Raska ya. Nah, apalagi mozzarella, cheese yang meleleh. Nggak bisa dihitung itu.
Itu sih.
Susah itu.
Bisa kalau dibekuin lagi.
Oh iya. The last one is tomato.
What?
Ya, tomato.
Tomato yang beratnya atau yang gimana?
Bukan beratnya ini. Tomato kan udah jelas itu bendanya. Kira-kira bisa dihitung nggak?
Dalamnya kira soalnya kan ada kayak benda kayak
bukan di dalamnya. The real tomato. Tomato. Nah, CN or UN? Okay. Tomato what? What do you mean? Okay. The answer is CN ya. CN.
Sebenarnya aku juga mau bilang CN, cuma masih ragu-ragu.
Ya, guys, jadi tomato itu bukan dalamnya yang dihitung ya. The real tomato sebelum kalian makan itu, nah 1, 2, 3. Gitu.
Iyalah, aku juga nggak suka. Dan suka juga tomato.
Who likes tomato? Who likes tomato?
Me don't like.
You don't like? Oh, William likes. William likes tomato.
I don't like.
Oh no.
No, I don't like.
Oh, you don't like.
I don't like.
Oh, Fanya doesn't like tomato. Me. Miss Aini doesn't like tomato.
Doesn't berarti nggak suka.
Iya, nggak suka. Thank you very much, guys, for today. The time is over. So let's take a selfie with Miss Aini. Thank you for this afternoon. We can continue tomorrow, ya. I give you some questions again. So prepare yourself to open your notes, dibuka catatannya lagi about countable and uncountable, ya, tentang countable and uncountable. So let's take a selfie a moment. 1, 2, 3.
Cheese.
Thank you so much. And I say goodbye.
Bye. Dadah. Miss. Bye. Bye, Miss.
Bye, Fanya.